today's like an interesting day, right? Today's the 24th of December and my girlfriend and my cousin decided to surprise me with something today, but I don't know what it is. And I'm gonna go find out today, and everything's gonna be recorded as a reaction. I know this isn't like the proper videos I usually make, but I don't know what it is. They say it's good, everyone in the house says it's good. I can't wait to go see it. Nice. Question is, what you guys get me? Can I tell? You tell me? No?
Whoa.
It's a secret, eh?
I think you guys just gotta wait for the viewers.
I think it's a secret, eh? Like, they won't tell me.
Hey guys, so you guys may not know, but I'm Andy's cousin. I'll go by the name of Brandon, also known as Den. So the backstory of today is, sorry, let me get some lighting. There we go. How am I looking? Hey. So the little backstory of today was, I've known Sarah and Andy for so long, like so long, like years. Andy, of course, he's my cousin, but Sarah I've known for, you know, X amount of time. So the reason why I came along today, and it's why it's so special to me, is because these guys have been through a lot. Like, they've literally came from the bottom and built themselves up to now. To how they are now is literally like a perfect relationship should be. So Andy, I really hope you enjoy and you like your little present. It means a lot, man. Like, to see you guys grow, to see how you guys have just, you know, grown as a couple is amazing, man. Right. Keep it going. Keep the love there, yo. Let's get it! Oh, and as I forgot to mention, if you guys don't know what the little sneak present is today, let me give you a sneak preview. What's missing on his car? Can you guys tell me? Maybe a rear diffuser? Maybe something like that? It's gonna be good. Look who it is! The man of the hour! How you feeling, man? How you feeling?
Oh no, I'm lost. You guys made me stand there like for 5 minutes.
Mate.
Feeling like a retard. I don't know what I'm looking for.
Do you even have a little hint of what it is?
Is it for jail or you bought me a Happy Meal?
Yeah, it could be.
I don't know. Maybe you guys bought me a Happy Meal. I don't know.
Maybe we just have to see. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
No cap, bro. No cap.
Uh-oh.
Maybe.
Uh-oh.
Wait, dude, what the fuck's going on? I don't know. What do you guys buy me?
What are you guys waiting for?
I know one person that came through. That was that car. That's the guy I'm waiting for.
What are we waiting for, man? What are we waiting for, man?
I don't know, bro.
What are we waiting for?
I don't know, bro. Chill out. I don't know. What do you guys buy me?
What are you guys waiting for?
I know one person that came through and that was that car. So, and I know what he makes.
Do you?
What is it?
There he is, guys.
When you join today, search NRMA website.
I'm so confused by you guys fucking.
How you feeling?
I'm so shocked. I don't know what it's for.
Do you have a hint about it now?
Is it a rear diffuser?
Could be.
I say if it is. Oh.
It could be, man.
Right.
Guys, if you know what it is, comment in the section below.
I don't even know, bro. I'm so lost in what the fuck's going on today.
Hey man, you guys one meeting in the vlog?
Yeah. I have no idea what you guys are doing.
Alright, hello.
I'm actually lost.
What's your reaction right now?
I'm confused. You know, like you.
Are you?
I'm very lost, bro.
Are you ready to see it?
Yeah, what is it? Show me.
You ready to see it?
Yeah, okay, let's go. What is it?
Well, it's not here. So
What do you mean? Oh yeah.
Not
Then
here
you
yet.
know.
Oh,
So,
shit.
this is the part where you tell it.
Part 2.
Well, you've been speaking about your diffuser,
Yeah.
and then you're gonna get it.
Oh, it's getting juicy. No way, bro. bro. That's gonna look sick. Yeah.
Oh, look at that facial expression right there.
Oh, man. You know how long I wanted to do that for? How long? Yeah. Well, like,
Okay, tell the viewers how long.
like since it started, right? I wanted to get that rediffuser like a long time ago.
Yeah.
But I couldn't afford it. Anyways, I was like, fuck, I'm gonna save up for it one day, you know? And then like, boom, you guys just hit me with the
Whoa. That's
I
it.
didn't expect it.
And that's just it, eh? How do you feel, bro?
I can't wait to see it. I kinda didn't see it coming, but I did, but kinda didn't. Like, majority of it wasn't like I didn't see it coming.
Until you saw the car.
Yeah, then I was like, nah, like, why they were looking at me funny, you know?
Yeah,
You guys were
why
like
were they
staring at me
looking?
funny, bro. And I was like, I know it makes one thing. And you guys looked at me as soon as it came in, so I was like, fuck, I'm catching on to something.
Yeah, yeah.
1 week later.
Today
Yeah.
is the 29th. Last time I updated you guys was on the 24th of December, where my girlfriend and my cousin surprised me with a rediffuser. Now we're currently on the way to Suspect Arrow, and we're driving there at the moment. So I'll update you guys once we get there to get our measurements done for our rediffuser. Let's go. We finally made it to Suspect Arrow. Now we're just waiting for him to come outside so we can get started on the measurements. Alright guys, we finally just got measurements done and ready for Susanna's rediffuser. And now we just gotta wait to next year so we'll come back and do everything and mock it all up, put it together. So now you're just gonna wait 2 weeks from now.
1 eternity later.
Okay, back at the Suspect Arrow. It's time to install the rediffuser on the car, guys. Get this install going on. Alright guys, so I figured out where I'm gonna install the brackets. So underneath down here there's already pre-existing bolts, 1 and 2. So I'm making a bracket that connects to that there, and the bolt goes straight through, and the other end attaches to the rediffuser. Alright guys, I finally made 2 of the same brackets, one for the other side and the other one is the opposite side. I've also measured out the holes here and here, so now I just need to mount them all up. Alright guys, we're halfway there. We've got half of it installed. I'm pretty sure I spent about 2 hours on it, but I was told I spent 3 to 4. I don't know, been here for a while. So I get this all final touched up and bolted on, and you guys will see what it looks like. Yeah, here's a little sneak peek. Looks good, yeah. Alright guys, we finally finished installing the rear diffuser. Now it's time to show you guys exactly what it looks like. And hell yeah, this thing looks fucking crazy. On the count of 3, I don't know if you guys will be able to see it because of the sun. 1, 2, 3. Whoa. Shout out to Suspect Arrow for doing the rear diffuser and helping me install it. Alright guys, now that we've installed the rear diffuser, it's time to go take a photo shoot. All the boys are invited, and let's head out to the car park and shoot some photos and meet everybody else there. Hey guys, so we finally made it to the car park where we're taking photos at Cabramatta. Enjoy the cinematics! I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you're new to the channel yet again, if you guys enjoyed today's content, leave a like down below and a comment. See you guys in the next one. Peace.